Hello, Sudoku fans. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional. The additional, not in 2 days or in the weekend edition. The weekend edition of December the 16th or 17th. Today's Sunday, 17th. December, 2023. Later on in the evening, I will solve this Samwise Sudoku. But first, the Sudokus of the Friday edition, because we have in the weekend edition no additional with extra puzzles. So the Sudokus of Friday, we have 3 Sudokus left in the Friday edition, and I've already done one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the Two Stars Sudoku. Well, this is really a 2 stars. I don't think so, because this one has 27 printed digits. 27. And this will be number 7637. For 2 stars puzzle, usually it has 26 printed digits. This one has 27. 27 should be a 1 star, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. That's my time limit. Is this a 1 star or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright, position the camera first. Okay. Well, let me see which number can I pick. How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place left 8 should be there. 3, 3, need 8, yes. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes here, and 8 in this column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. And 8 could be everywhere here. Need to wait for the 8. Alright. Let me continue. How about the 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left, the 4 should be there. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, only place level 2 should be there. Need a 6 here. Okay, need a 9 here. 9. Need a 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only place level 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright, and now we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5, it should be there. Need a 6 here. And I need a 9 there. How about here, the 9 and the 2 are missing. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. Well. So we have a 9 in this first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Need a 9 here. And I need a 9 there. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. Need a 2 here. How about here? The 1 and the 6. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes and there. Alright, now the 6 in this row, the 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 2 and the 7. Okay, so 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, the numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay, and now need a 2 here, need a 1 here. I need 8 here. Need a 7 there. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 1 here. 2, 3, need 4 here. And I need a 6 here. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 6. We have 1 and a 6 in this column, third column, so no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. Alright. Also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, and now need a 4 here. Need a 7. Need a 2. Need a 3. Yep, need a 3 here. Well. Need a 1 here. And I need a 2. Need a 6 here. Need a 2 here. Here, can we say I need a 7 here. Yeah. Come on. I need a 6 here. I need a 6 there. I'm thinking. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. And we have a pair. We have a 5 and a 6 in the last column. 5 and a 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Well, need a 1 here. Yeah. 1 of the missing number in the second row is the number 1 in the second row. Here can be 1 because we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1 because we have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in the second row should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see digit number 1. 2 missing numbers now in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 in the row above, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1 and 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We have a 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. All right. Okay. Well. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7 is missing. Yeah, 2 missing numbers, the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. 3 and 9. Well, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, 3 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only place left for 8 should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there, finish in 13 minutes. Well, faster than 15 minutes, so definitely a 1 star, not a 2 stars. Told you. And I like this one, yeah, so we'll do things. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also for yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle in additional of the Friday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.